Hi, good morning. My name is Nino M. Burlat from BT1 line 17. So now I'll be sharing my reflection about this course, what I learned, how it affect me, and how I can apply it in real life. So one of the biggest things, one of the biggest things I learned here is how to really think before making decisions. Um, Before, I usually just go with what is easy or what I feel at the moment. Like I did not really think deeply about it. There was this one time in class where we had to make decision. Um, a decision in a group activity, and agreed. I just agreed with my friends to avoid conflict. But later on, I realized that the decision was not really the best, and I didn't even try to speak up. That experience made me realize that decisions are not just about convenience, but also about doing what is right and thinking about the outcome. I also learned that different people have different perspectives, and it is important to understand them before judging. Because of this subject, I noticed some changes in myself. Like now, I try to pause first before reacting. For example, um, for example, before if I had just misunderstanding with my friends, um, I would just stay quiet or sometimes avoid the situation. But now I try to understand both sides first before reacting. I also become more open-minded. I realize that not everyone will think the same way as I do, and does not mean they're wrong. And I think I become more responsible too, especially with my choices and how they can affect other people. So in real life, um, in real life, I can apply these learnings in school um, by being more active and actually sharing my thoughts, even if I am shy, even if I'm a little bit shy. And in relationship, I try to be more understanding and patient, especially during misunderstanding, because we are human gap. And in the future, especially in work, I think this will help me make better decision and not just follow others, but stand on what I believe is right. So yeah, this course will really help me not just in academic, but also in how I think and end up in real life. And I think that is something I can carry with me moving forward. So um, I think I can and and that's all. And that's all. Thank you.